Okay, so this is a Chevy Colorado 2004, and we've replaced the park brake on both sides of the rear. And after doing a park brake on both sides, noticed that they weren't engaging as they should, and that the actual pedal assembly was going to need to be replaced. Unfortunately, the part for that, the replacement part, is pretty much obsolete. You can't get it from the Chevy dealership. You can hardly find them on eBay. We placed an order for one on eBay. They cancelled it because they couldn't find the part in their warehouse. We placed another order on eBay for another used part. They weren't shipping it out. It was almost like they really didn't have it in stock either. So we found one other part which we did order, and it arrived with some priority shipping, and the guy got it to us really quickly. We were very fortunate. So Snoops has put it all back together. I'll just show you what he's done. These are the two new lines right here, going out to both sides of, right there you can see that wheel, and then on that side you can see that one there going to that wheel. How hard of a job was it doing that?
It's pretty challenging.
Uh-huh.
And then we just put this new nut here. I can't remember the name for this nut.
It was called was it a not a I was gonna say execution nut, but I think it sounded like it was kind of like that kind of word, right?
They had a name for it. It's probably on the wrapper.
It's
see it routes through
like
here.
A big long word.
We brought it through here. You can see.
Yeah.
The emergency brake goes through there, and this is connected to the pedal assembly inside the cab.
And then there's a bolt anywhere or not?
No, bolt's right here.
Oh, yeah, right there. I see.
Right there.
Yeah.
And then these are the. This is the part that came out.
Okay.
That's the pedal assembly up in the cab area.
Uh-huh.
And this is here's a grommet. It comes through, and then it came to that part where we had to cut it.
Yeah.
And that's the part where we had...
that nut at the end was basically seized.
It was seized.
Right? We couldn't get it off.
And that was bent.
Yep.
That
So we had to cut it.
Yep.
Right at the end there.
Yep.
And when you go to engage this this pedal, the cable does not pull. It doesn't even move.
Yep.
Whereas the replacement pedal that we got, when you go to push the pedal down,
it's
like
not doing
that,
anything.
yeah.
You're nothing. Should be pulling. When I do this, that should be pulling. If you look there,
it's
not doing anything.
So we're not sure
release it.
what's wrong exactly with that, but
so no tension. And here's the old wheel bearing.
Oh yeah, we have
right
the
here.
wheel bearing too.
Let me see. I'm gonna shine a light here. That's a bad wheel bearing.
Yep.
You can hear it.
It's pretty bad.
Super bad.
And you also have to replace the wheel speed sensors on this truck too. Hey.
Well, the brand new wheel bearing we put in came with the new ABS wheel speed sensor on it, and then we did replace the wheel speed sensor on this one. You can see it right here.
That one came separately though.
This came separately. We had to take the wheel bearing off. Yeah. Take the old ABS wheel speed sensor off and put a new one on there.
Yep. So if you have a choice, get a wheel bearing with the sensor already on it.
Yes.
Don't get one where you have to like take off the old one and put the new sensor on, because it was a real challenge. It took hours. It was a pain in the butt. But anyway, so we just wanted to kind of give a little quick wrap there. How long do you think it took you to do that park brake pedal assembly? It didn't take too long, did it? Maybe an hour?
About an hour.
So it wasn't as bad as we thought. The
emergency brakes and all of it together, I don't know, 3 hours, all of it?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. All right, awesome. Hopefully that helps. If you need to find a replacement part for that pedal assembly, the best thing you can do is maybe just find one that's used somewhere, or if someone has like any old stock at their store, you might be able to track one down, but just very, very difficult. We were very fortunate to get this one, so hopefully you won't run into this luck like we did. Anyway, have a good night.